So here's an introduction to MudShark's new entity creation tools. We've got offset line, extrude line, and extrude input line. So let's have a quick look at those. If we pick contours, say, and we want to create an offset line, offset from this boundary of this structure here, we can pick the boundary, and we've got these options available. So let's say we're going to offset it by 1 meter. And we've got these other options where we can put an offset angle in, a vertical offset, and altitude, and they're all interlinked. So if I put in minus 45 here, you can see that the vertical offset becomes -1 and the altitude becomes 0. So let's just put one in at 1 meter for now. So that creates us a new contour. Then let's say we want to offset that one, and we can do that by another meter, and let's put in minus 45 for the angle this time. So we'll go OK, and now you can see what we've got is that 1 meter offset around the perimeter and then one at 0 meters. So let's quickly calculate that. Go to 3D site, and you can see we've created quite a nice neat little plinth there. Okay, like to take off view and then to top down. Okay, so then let's say we want to put a footpath around the building that's half a meter off from the edge. What we can do is go in extrude line. Now what this does is it extrudes the selected line by the distance you give. So if I pick that, you can see we've got all the same options as with offset line. But let's say we're going to go half a meter out, and we'll go OK. And we've created a footpath around the building. Let's go top down again. And just to show you, if I come to take off and I switch the structure off, you can see we've got the hole, and it's basically taken that line and extruded it out to that line. Okay, and then let's say we want some footpaths down at the bottom level here, but we can use the one line as a guideline. So we can do extrude input line now, and let's put that altitude down to 0 meters, as we know that's where that is. And let's just put in a footpath that does something like that. Right click, and then we've got again the same options, but we're just going to put an offset in of again half a meter, say. And if we don't like the direction it's gone in, we just make it minus half a meter, and it'll pull it back the other way. And then we can go OK, and that creates us our offset from our input line. So we have all these options now available to us. Okay.